Welcome to How to Polish Cutlery, Restaurant Waiter Training SOP presentation. In the realm of hospitality, every detail matters. And today, we're diving deep into the fine art of cutlery care. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned pro, this video will equip you with the skills to achieve that perfect shine. Join us on this journey as we unveil the secrets to making every diner's experience truly exceptional. Department: Food and Beverage. Section: All Outlet. Subject: How to Polish Cutlery. Reference number: 08. Prepared by. Approved by. Standard: To have clean polished cutlery ready for service at all times, free of fingerprints and water streaks. Procedure: 1. Ensure that cutlery have been washed first. 2. Use a clean linen cloth held in both hands so as not to leave fingerprints. 3. Hold the cutlery in your left hand by the cloth and wipe with your right hand. 4. Fill an ice bucket with boiling water to the level of 3/4 and place on a firm stand or table. 5. Holding the base of the cutlery in cloth, place over hot water until condensation appears on the cutlery. 6. Wipe the cutlery with your right hand, ensuring that you cover the whole blade and handle. 7. Hold the cutlery up to the light to ensure that all marks and streaks have been removed. 8. Ensure that you only use the approved polishing cloth for this job and not guest napkin. Congratulations! You've completed How to Polish Cutlery, Restaurant Waiter Training SOP presentation. With these newfound skills, you're now a part of an elite group of service professionals, poised to create memorable dining experiences. You can easily download the SOP document in Microsoft Word format for free by clicking on the link in the video description below. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward excellence. Share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts, and together, let's elevate restaurant service to new heights. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on our latest training tips and culinary adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Stay tuned for more exciting training videos, and remember, success in the restaurant industry is about passion, precision, and the art of service. Until next time, happy serving!